Hello everyone, welcome to the Recipe Tales. Today we're going to do Katha Meg. It is a Gujarati dish made from mung beans and yogurt. The mung beans I normally soak overnight and let it sprout for another few more hours until we get this texture. So you have a little bit of tail ends coming out, like here we call it in Singapore like a tauge. You know, that's the word we use here, but there's a little bit of sprout that comes out, and I wash it and then I boil it in my Thermomix for 20 minutes to 30 minutes until it's soft, and cool it down to room temperature before I make my dal, that is Katha Meg with yogurt. A lot of you may not know what kind of mung beans we are talking about. So this is the mung bean that I'm talking about. It is green beans. We call it in Indian language mung beans, but in English you call it green beans. And in Asia we have savory dish, at the same time we have a sweet dish. So Katha Meg is a savory dish. It's sort of a dal made with yogurt. Yogurt with mung beans, Katha Meg. Ingredients: 85 gram whole mung bean, 450 grams of water to cook, 3 cloves garlic, 1 teaspoon ghee, 1 dry chilli, half a teaspoon mustard powder, half a teaspoon cumin seeds, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon chili powder. This is optional or you can add more. 100 grams yogurt, 1 teaspoon coriander and cumin powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh coriander leaves. Let's make Katha Meg. And to do Katha Meg, I'm going to use garlic, and we're going to mince it very finely, so it's going to take about 3 seconds only at speed 7. So I'm going to go very quick at speed 7. That's it. It's very fast, and I'm going to scrape it down. Now those of you who don't take alums, please do not use this, but you can add ginger. You can chop your ginger in it, and then you can add all the other spices. So the next round we're going to do is we're just going to put some dried chilies to it. And those of you who are vegans, then please use cooking oil. I'm going to use ghee for my Katha Meg because it tastes so good. So I'm going to just put about, say, 2 teaspoons of it. And this is my homemade ghee that I made it in my Thermomix using unsalted butter. And so we're going to put that, and then I'm going to add in my cumin seeds, half a teaspoon, and my mustard powder too, and I'm going to saute all these things together one shot. Now that is the beauty of having a Thermomix. Let the temperature work for us, right? So I'm going to take about, say, 2 minutes. You can go all the way to 3 minutes if you want to get a better aroma. So let's do 3 minutes, and we're going to do it 120 and at spoon mode. So it is left to you like how strong or how brown you want your garlic to be. But those of you who are not using alums, then just go at speed at 3 minutes to saute your garlic with your cumin, mustard powder, and all. Let it infuse in the oil. If you're vegan, then let it infuse in the oil. Otherwise, you can also use butter or ghee to do it. Whatever you have in your pantry, and whatever ways that you are, living your life, what is comfortable to you and what you believe in having, just go ahead and just follow the recipe and omit or mix and match what you need to do. Katha Meg is really tasty because this is again yogurt. So I'm going to use yogurt in this one here. So it is milk based. This is a vegetarian dish. But if you're vegan, then you can always use coconut yogurt or cashew yogurt because it needs to be tangy with your mung beans. Okay, so we will let that be. So that has been sauteed very well. Oh gosh, look at the fragrance of garlic there. So I'm going to pull it downwards, and then I'm going to add my chili powder to give a little bit more color, so, and the taste too. And then I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and we're going to add our moong dal. So there we go. This is cooked moong dal. I have cooked it in a Thermomix and taken it out, and then I'm going to add in my salt, about a teaspoon. That's the amount of it that I need, and I'm going to let it cook for 3 minutes. At 120, and we're going to go to speed 0.5. So our moong is been infused with ginger, sorry, not ginger, but with garlic and the chili powder with the turmeric in it. Oh, it's a lovely mix. Now I'm going to add in my yogurt at the end, and here we go. 100 grams of yogurt, and the cumin and coriander powder that I've made again at home, about a teaspoon. And here we are going to now cook 3 minutes. And we're going to go to aroma, and we're going to go to 0.5. So this is where the gravy is going to be thickened, because varoma is steam cooking, and we want the gravy to be thick, so it's nice to eat with rice, chapati or paratha. Okay, so the Katha Meg is ready, and let me taste whether salt is enough. And beautiful color. Oh, it's so nice. It's lovely to have it for steamed rice. Definitely the taste of the ghee. Yeah, but I made mine a little bit saucy, but if you like it to have it a little bit more thicker, then just use another 5 minutes of varoma steam cooking, so it'll thicken up again. Right, so I'm going to take this out into a bowl. This is my comfort food, Katha Meg with rice, papad and pickle. It's so nice to have it on a rainy day, and I just enjoy having it. It's my comfort food and my family's comfort food too. But there are days where I also like to have it with parathas. My name is Sushila Patel. This is the Recipe Tales, recipes with a modern twist.